Hey, welcome to GB.
This is nice.
Can many of you do this?
Can you help me to put it in?
What?
Put it in. I got it.
Got what?
Linker fluid.
What?
Oh,
Get
I
in the
think you mean
car.
eye drops.
What?
You did not?
Yeah, you told me to phone it.
Uh-uh.
Yeah, I went in there and I was okay. I need help, right? Because like nobody was helping me. People were like, oh, that doesn't exist. And then I found this guy and I walked up there and he helped me to get it. Look.
Wait.
And this is the best one too. It says good for up to 6,000 blinks, maximum strength.
You're kidding me right
Yeah.
now. That's a thing?
Yeah. I got it. You told me to get it.
Oh
Why
my.
are you so sure?
This lady deserves an Oscar.
Hey,
Hey,
new car.
Did
It's a
you?
Mercedes.
it's a what?
A Mercedes.
Can I see it?
Yeah,
That's nice. What is it?
a Mercedes.
That's nice.
Is that smoke coming from the bus?
Dude, your soda's on your car. Your soda's on your car.
When you can't find the fault.
He just got in there. Dear old fella. It's alright, mate.
The name of this road?
You can't park there, sir.
I know I can't park here. I'm on the phone to the police.
Fuck, you know, how did you manage to get in here?
You remember all those long road trips. There's losing control, and then there's losing control.
Look, that's a little bit, okay? That's perfect. It isn't.
Take off, go down.
His feet are in the ground.
Look. Look.
The moment you
That's
realized
exactly
it's
right. There's a
already
lot of
too
arguments
late.
on both sides here about whether or not to begin constructing Hunter Lake. From the city's side, they argue that they need a backup water source for times of extreme drought and more space for recreational activities. But for water rights groups here in Springfield, they argue that it's a waste of taxpayer money and it'll destroy thousands of acres of wildlife.
Oh, no, 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 no.
Look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head.
Помни это, бишь, детка, ты со мной летишь. Я иду просто,
就这。
Thanks for watching with us. If you like, please subscribe and click on the